Impact assessment of hail-damaged crops in Jashpur district during April 2020. Shiv Kumar Bhuaria and Hemant Kumar Sinha. The hailstorms damaged crops in lakhs of acres of farmland in northeastern states of India. Hailstorm is occasionally occurs in Jashpur district during post-monsoon period caused crops damage and losses including houses. The incident has reduced the commercial and appealing value of the crops. Though hurricanes, tornadoes and lightning command more dramatic attention, but worldwide, hail ranks as one of the most dangerous and destructive of all severe weather phenomena, causing a severe damage to standing crops in a very short span of time. So far meager information is available on impact of hail damage on horticultural and agricultural crops. Therefore, the main objective of this study was conducted to monitor the impact of hailstorm on rabi crops, summer paddy and other horticultural crops. Results showed significant cropped area damaged in all the crops at varying degree. However, the severity of damage was higher at flowering, fruit setting, fruiting stage, and nursery stage. In affected villages, 750.3 hectare area affected by hailstorm, which is 38% of net sown area of affected villages of Patlagaon block, and 14.6 hectare area affected at villages of Farsabhar block, which is 80% of net sown area of villages. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.